another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review today from Crooked River State Park in Georgia, just over the Florida-Georgia border. We are at site number 15. I think roughly we have about 50 sites here, and pretty much all of them have electric and water on site. Some have sewers. I'm not sure of the logic which is which. We paid about $38 I think per night here. And so, as you can see, typical state park layout, fairly close together, not a lot of privacy, but you know, people back there and the one that left behind us were quiet and actually very friendly. So far, you know, pretty good. We're going to be moving on to another site here in a second. What I do like about this site is that you have the river access here, you have a little bit of view, and you can walk and see the sunset over there. I mean, the site, obviously in terms of length, is huge, much more than we need, but it's always good to pull through and have a great view. So that's it, and then a couple of hiking trails here. I think there might be a boat ramp and cabins, but that's about it in terms of other things here on site, but we might report more later. So then let's go over to site 21, because right now we're in 50 and the next two nights will be in 21, just a little bit further down the road.